Hitting your 40s, 50s, or even 60s doesn't mean you have to slow down. In fact, this is the best time to recharge your body and reclaim your strength. With the right routine, you can bring back your energy, feel younger, and do things many people think aren't possible anymore. In today's video, we're sharing 8 simple but powerful exercises that will completely change the way your body moves and feels. These moves will help you build strength, improve posture, and boost flexibility, so you can stay active and confident at any age. And don't miss exercise number 6. It's a total game changer that can make a big difference in your health and energy levels. Stick around until the end because we've got a special bonus routine designed to help you feel even more energized and strong. Let's dive in. Exercise number 1. Tricep dips. Our first exercise might look simple, but don't let that fool you. It's one of the most effective ways to build real upper body strength. We're talking about tricep dips. This move targets your triceps, chest, and shoulders all at once, giving you a solid upper body workout without any fancy equipment. All you need is a sturdy chair or bench, making it perfect for anyone who likes to train at home. As you lower and lift your body with control, you'll feel your muscles working and notice how quickly your arms start to build strength. It's a great feeling because you are not just exercising, you're taking care of your body and staying strong. Tricep dips also help you stay sharp and focused. Paying attention to your form and breathing builds both physical and mental strength. And the best part, you'll see the results in everyday life. Lifting things, pushing doors, or even carrying groceries starts to feel easier and lighter. Exercise number 2. Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most effective and complete exercises you can do for your upper body. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. No equipment needed. If you're over 40, push-ups are a safe and flexible choice that can easily be adjusted to your fitness level. You can start with wall push-ups or knee push-ups, and as you get stronger and more confident, move on to the regular version. But the benefits don't stop at muscle strength. Push-ups also help your heart and circulation, making them great for overall health. With regular practice, you'll notice firmer arms, a stronger chest, and better posture. When combined with tricep dips, push-ups give your upper body a solid foundation, helping you handle everyday tasks and tougher workouts with more ease and confidence. Exercise number 3. Squats. Squats are one of the best exercises for building lower body strength. They work your thighs, glutes, and core all at the same time, making them a true full body movement. More than just a workout move, squats are what help you sit, stand, and move with ease. Things that can become harder as we age if we don't stay active. For anyone over 40 or 50, squats are a powerful way to protect your joints. They strengthen the muscles around your knees and hips, helping to prevent pain and injury while improving balance and stability in daily life. The best part? Squats are for everyone. You can start by sitting and standing from a chair to build confidence, then progress to doing them without support as your strength improves. With time, you'll notice everyday tasks, like walking, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries, start to feel much easier. Squats also improve posture by engaging your core and lower back, helping you stand taller and reduce pressure on your spine. By building a strong lower body, you're not just training your legs, you're creating a solid foundation for a stronger, more active, and independent life. Exercise number 4. Plank. The plank is one of the most powerful exercises you can do for your body. It strengthens your core, glutes, and thighs all at once, helping you build a strong and stable foundation. But it's not just about physical strength. Holding a plank also builds mental strength and confidence, giving you the energy and control you need to stay active and independent. At first glance, the plank might look simple, but once you try it, you will quickly feel how every muscle in your body works together to keep you steady. With regular practice, planks can greatly improve your posture and support your spine, making them an excellent exercise for anyone over 40 or 50 who wants to move better and feel stronger. The best part? You don't need any equipment, just your own body weight. That's what makes the plank such an easy and practical exercise for everyone, no matter where you are. Stick with it and you'll soon notice better posture, smoother movement, and even less tension in your lower back. Plus, the plank sets you up perfectly for more advanced moves like push-ups, giving your body the balance, control, and core strength it needs to take on any challenge. Exercise number 5. Dead hang. Hanging from a pull-up bar might look simple, but the results it delivers are truly powerful, especially for anyone over 40. This movement strengthens your back, shoulders, and arms while giving your joints and spine a refreshing stretch that helps you move more freely. When you hang and let gravity do its job, your spine gently decompresses, releasing built-up tension and leaving you with a light, relaxed feeling that's almost therapeutic. The best part, it's easy to add to your routine, whether you're at the gym, in a park, or using a pull-up bar at home. If you've already built a strong foundation with planks, push-ups, and squats, hanging from a bar is the perfect next step. It not only challenges your core and grip strength, but also improves posture, enhances flexibility, and helps protect you from injuries, making your entire body feel more balanced and resilient. Exercise number 6. Burpee, the real game changer. The burpee is one of the most powerful full-body exercises you can do. It challenges your strength, endurance, and heart all at once, making it both tough and incredibly rewarding. You start standing, drop into a plank, and finish with a jump, and in just one smooth motion, you work your core, arms, and legs while firing up your metabolism. It's one of the fastest ways to burn fat, build stamina, and boost your overall fitness. For anyone in their 40s or 50s, burpees are a great way to re-energize your body and kickstart your metabolism. And don't worry if you're just starting out. You can easily modify the movement by skipping the jump or the full push-up. As your strength and confidence grow, you can work your way up to the full version. Adding burpees to your daily routine does more than just build fitness. It gives you a real sense of accomplishment. After each set, you'll feel stronger, more agile, and ready to take on whatever the day throws your way. Exercise number 7. Running in place. Running in place might look easy, but it's one of the most effective ways to boost your heart health and keep your body active, especially if you're over 40. You don't need any equipment or much space. Just turn on your favorite music and start moving, feeling your body warm up and your energy rise with every step. It's a simple way to build endurance, improve circulation, and stay fit right at home. This exercise also strengthens your legs and core, perfectly complementing other moves like burpees and squats. The best part is its flexibility. You can go at your own pace, start with a light jog, or step it up with high knees or butt kicks to challenge yourself and work different muscle groups. Changing the rhythm keeps the workout fun and engaging while giving your heart and lungs a powerful boost. And as you move, your body releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that leave you refreshed, positive, and ready to take on the day. Exercise number 8. Lunges. Lunges are one of the best exercises for building strong legs, firm glutes, and better balance. This simple movement, stepping forward and lowering your body with control, works multiple muscles at once and helps you move with greater stability and confidence, which is especially valuable after 40. By strengthening the muscles that support your knees and hips, lunges help protect your joints and improve overall mobility. The great thing is you can do them anywhere, without any equipment. Just your body weight is enough to feel the burn and see results. If you want to make it more challenging, you can add light weights or try different versions like side lunges to engage new muscles. Paying attention to your posture and control while performing each rep also helps improve alignment and reduces tension on your back. As you build strength and balance with lunges, you'll notice everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, or getting up from a chair becoming easier, smoother, and more effortless. Exercise number 9. Glute bridge. The glute bridge is one of the most effective exercises for strengthening your lower back, glutes, and core. All essential areas for maintaining mobility and preventing pain as you age. To perform it, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Then lift your hips upward while squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a second before lowering back down slowly. This simple movement not only activates your glutes and hamstrings but also helps stabilize your spine and improve posture. Over time, it can reduce lower back discomfort and make everyday movements like bending, lifting, or standing much easier. For an extra challenge, you can perform single-leg glute bridges or add a light resistance band around your thighs to engage your muscles even more. Exercise number 10. Standing side leg raises. This exercise may look gentle, but it's fantastic for improving balance, strengthening the hips, and keeping your lower body stable. These benefits are especially important for maintaining coordination and preventing falls as you get older. To do it, stand tall and slowly lift one leg out to the side, keeping your posture upright. Pause briefly, then lower your leg with control. Repeat several times on each side. Standing side leg raises strengthen the outer thighs, hips and glutes while improving the small stabilizing muscles that support your lower body. They are easy to do anywhere, while watching TV, cooking, or during your daily exercise routine. Adding these two movements, glute bridges and side leg raises, will round out your workout, helping you build strength, balance, and confidence from head to toe. Bonus: yoga, relax, and renew. After challenging your body with strength and movement, it's time to slow down, breathe, and recharge. And that's where yoga comes in. Yoga isn't just about stretching. It's about creating harmony between your body, mind, and spirit, helping you feel balanced, calm, and refreshed. For anyone over 40, yoga is a game changer. It helps build strength, improve flexibility, and ease tension that often builds up in the muscles. Each pose, whether it's the lotus position, downward dog, or tree pose, targets different parts of your body, improving balance, posture, and mobility. As you move through the poses and focus on your breathing, you'll notice how stress melts away, your mind feels clearer, and your body feels lighter. Yoga also supports muscle recovery after intensive workouts, protects your joints, and helps prevent injuries. Incorporating yoga into your weekly routine is like giving your body a gentle reset. It leaves you energized, centered, and ready to take on life with more strength and peace. With these 8 powerful exercises and the relaxing bonus of yoga, you now have everything you need to transform your health, boost your energy, and improve your quality of life. Each movement is simple yet effective, helping you build strength, move with ease, and feel more alive every day. The secret to real progress is consistency. Keep showing up, listen to your body, and take it one step at a time. Soon you'll notice not just physical strength, but also greater confidence, focus, and mental clarity. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, effective routines to keep your body strong and your mind sharp. See you in the next one.